What is up guys, it's Sean here again. Today I'll be unboxing the Google Chromecast. So this is the TV stick from Google and I opted for the 4K edition. So yeah, let's check out the box. So these are the apps that I'm guessing will be pre-installed in this. And here it shows that it's 4K and HDR. Has built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth of course, and it works with Android and iOS. Simple setup, you just need to plug it in the TV and also have to power it to a power cord. And so it has the voice remote control feature as well, so you can control the device via voice through the remote. And nothing much else, and it's made in Thailand, it says. That's good. There's also a simple version of this that only has 1080p as the highest setting, and that is I think almost 50% cheaper than this 4K edition. So let's go ahead and unbox this up. This box I'm guessing contains the Google stick itself. Let's open this up. Yes, it's the Google stick inside this. And here it is in this nice white color. I'm liking it. Looks very nice. I like the design, the round design. Here's the HDMI cable that goes inside your TV. Then here's the USB-C port in order to power this device on. And let's see what else we get. This is, I'm guessing, the remote for the stick. Wow, what a nice remote. This is such a tiny remote. Wow. So you can access Google, Netflix, and here you power it on, mute switch. This is, I'm guessing, the voice recognition, the voice control button. Then this is the navigation button. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And here are the volume buttons, I guess. Yeah, it's on the side. Loving that. Let's see what else we get in the box. Quick start guide. Pretty easy. And safety information. And here is the power cable. So this is the USB-C. And the cable is actually pretty nice and long. So this goes inside your TV stick. This goes inside the power adapter. That way your device turns on. And they also included a power brick. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Considering the cell phones nowadays don't include power bricks, but this device did include a power brick. Just for $40 it includes a power brick. Yeah, pretty cool. And here are the batteries for the remote, I'm guessing. That is gonna be it. And yeah, what a nice design of this device. I'm loving it. And I'm so happy they included a power brick and a nice USB-C, nice and long USB-C cable, and a nice remote with it. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this quick little unboxing of the Google Chromecast. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.